Hey folks, Close Small Designs here, and today we're looking at the Officer's Lounge for the 1/350th scale USS Enterprise refit. Now this one here is from Polar Lights, so if you have this kit, you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, the older kits have this as well, so if you have this part right here, you'll know what I'm talking about. So obviously this kind of looks like the Arboretum where you get these molded on trees and such. The camera is having a hard time picking this up because it's white. But you get the idea, right? So this will fit in the saucer section of the ship. So when you're looking in through the the back window, you'll get this view right here, right? So you do get these molded on, trees and such. So if you like that and you want to paint it up, you go right ahead. But I didn't like that, right? So this is what I did with mine. I'll try and get it in close. So we kind of copied the Arboretum, right? Where I wanted the summer going into fall look. I kind of thought, you know what, we'll do the same kind of theme where the idea is we'll do seasons, right? Summer to fall to winter to spring, the 4 seasons, that kind of thing. So that way you get the home feel, right? So same kind of idea. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my Arboretum video and you'll know what I'm talking about. So basically it's summer going into fall, so you get that feeling of home. But I took it a step further, right? I wanted, I had extra decals, so on the wall there I have Enterprise with the Star Trek logo, and then on the wall, I right here, I did like a painting, just cut out, a decal that I had and did the, a painting of something. It's so hard to pick up. Same thing over there. It's, a picture of something. I don't remember. It doesn't come with the model. And over there, a painting of something. I don't remember what it was anymore. And in the back over there, those actually come with the model. Those are decals. And then obviously I didn't color them in, right? I shaded this, but I didn't do that because the idea is for lighting, right? Because those will light up if you plan to light your model. So I really went all out on the detailing of my Officer's Lounge. As you can see, I used the Woodland Scenics, bushes, I guess you can call them, or whatever, plants. And then with the figurines, that's just these again, the Tamiya guys. And then the officers there. Obviously there's no white guys that you've seen in the Arboretum video because this is an Officer's Lounge. There's just officers in there this time. So there we go. Now obviously I included this here. This is really cool. This goes in, the saucer section on the reverse side, obviously, right on the back. You see this in the motion picture, right? Now this does kind of, if you put light behind it, let's see if I can do it here. Like if you put light behind it, it lights up. That's the idea. See, it's not really focusing here. But if you put light behind it, it'll light up. That's really cool. And then because of the shape, it gives like the depth. Now this fits in the saucer perfectly, right? Sorry, it's not really focusing because it's just the way the camera works. Now, this works in conjunction with the HDA Model Works. Now, this is the decal right here that you've seen, right? That's what's inside here. And then of course I put crew figures at the the forefront. And the paragraphic set right here. Now obviously, right here it's where it's cut out. So you basically cut it out, shape it, and then I painted it, and then put the decal that you see right here into there. And then this will go into the saucer, right? So that's an option. See, there you go. The lighting is actually lighting up better this way. So that's completely optional if you want to do that. It'll look cool once you get it in the window and such, but that's an option if you like it. This will probably be easier to see than that, but we'll get to it when we get to it. And obviously there's the top of it, where the skylight. Now I just used, like just masking tape or whatever. It kind of gives that, look of like the skylight kind of look. It's up to you how you want to do it. That way you're not actually seeing the light bulb and it's still lets light pass through. So that's pretty simple for the officer's lounge, right? You will see it. I didn't want to put the saucer in this video, otherwise it'd just take up the entire table. But that's the view you will get right there. So yeah. So thanks so much for watching. That's pretty much for the interior details other than the shuttle bay. And it all depends on what version of the ship you were building. Because if you're building like the, this variant of the ship, or version I should say, of the ship, until you get to the A, that's when the shuttle bay changes. So there's aftermarket sets you can get, or if you stick with this one, I haven't got that far. I'm pretty sure this one is for the motion picture. Don't quote me on it. It's been a while since I've kind of played with this one. But I do have an aftermarket set for the A version, but I haven't decided which version of ship I'm going to build yet. I might not even stick with Enterprise. I know it says Enterprise here, but I might actually build, this ship, but call it something different, and I can easily just scratch out the name. So anyway, I just wanted to go more in depth with my officer's lounge to show you kind of how I did it. I have shown this on the channel, when I first started my channel, but I haven't really talked about it too much. So I really want to, get this going because I want to obviously start my my ship. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment as always. I really like talking to you guys. So there we go. Thanks, guys. Bye.